the stimulus. $1,400 stimulus is here. It was signed into law on yesterday. This is 3/12/2021. Okay. All right. So, stimulus. Single. If you made less than $75,000, you're going to get the full $1,400, but up to $80,000, and then it will be phased out. So anything above the 75, you'll get a stimulus, but it'll be adjusted. So you will get the full $1,400 if you made 75,000 or less. Head of the household, if you made 112,500 or less, you'll get the full $1,400 for yourself and $1,400 for each dependent on your return. Now that's why you're head of the household, because you have dependents on your return. You're single if you don't have any dependents at all. Then married filing joint, that's 2 adults on the return. If you made less than 150,000 or less, you get the full $1,400 each for each adult. And then any dependents, you'll get an additional $1,400. And it phases out at $160,000. So if you're married filing joint, made over $160,000, you will not be getting a stimulus this go round. All right, all dependents. Now this is something that they left out before, but this time all dependents will be receiving the $1,400. If they're dependent on your tax return, ages 17 and above, they will receive the $1,400. So let's just kind of look at this. Family of 3. Head of the household, there's an adult on the return. So we say it's 1 adult. So it's going to be $1,400 for that individual. And then you have 2 dependents on the return. So therefore, it's $2,800 for those dependents. $1,400 plus $2,800 is $4,200 that you'll look forward to getting a stimulus under this new stimulus plan. It is in effect as of today. IRS is looking to actually process all the information and get it out to the American people as soon as possible. We're looking probably between 7 to 14 days. People will start receiving their stimulus check. Now, if this information was helpful to you, there are much more information within that stimulus packet. Also, they're doing an advanced credit for, this is talking about unemployment. You have to tune back in for that. The child tax credit for 2021. This is an advanced credit for if you're have children on your tax return of the age of 6 through 17, you get additional child tax credit. Right now it's $2,000, but within this stimulus plan, they're boosting that to $3,000 for the ages 6 through 17. And then for ages 0 through 6, it's $3,600. And it's $3,600. So for that, you are getting an advance on your 2021 tax return. 2021 tax return is not going to be filed until 2022, but they're going to give you an advance before you actually file that tax return next year. These advance is looking to go out starting July. And if you have a child 16 to 17, the advance amount will be $250. If you have a child ages 0 through 6, the advance will be $300. So these checks is a monthly check for the full amount of this. So you will receive a check. Once it equals this amount, you'll start receiving that monthly check. And remember, when you get your taxes done in 2022 for 2021, you're not going to get this credit at that time because you're previously getting the credit beforehand. All right. I want you to subscribe to my channel. This is Tax Lady Jackson, Finance Tax Lady. If all of this information was helpful to you, remember you subscribe to my channel. And then also on Facebook Live, go to Jackson, the ampersand, letter U, tax service, and follow. And you'll be alerted when I do my next live.